it is. Okay. Now these two. Bring everything on one side. So it becomes minus 11a square plus 6a square, right? Plus 4a plus 36a plus 60 plus 40 equals to 0, right? So minus 5a square plus 40a plus 100 equals to 0. Solve for 5, we get minus a square plus 8a plus 20 equals to 0. Now multiply everything with minus because it's 0, so it hardly matters. So it becomes a square minus 8a minus 20 equals to 0. Now find the factors of minus 8a and 20 so that the addition over here and here the multiplication should be minus 20. So 10 to the a square minus 10a plus 2a minus 20 equals to 0, right? So a minus 10 into a plus 2 equals to 0. Always remember, if the coefficient of a square is 1, you can directly take this a minus 10 and a plus 2. No need of solving a common, then a minus 10, then a minus 10 over here, then 2 common. All these steps can be removed. So a minus 10 into a plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore it becomes either a minus 10 equals to 0 or a plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore a equals to 10 or a equals to minus 2. So the options given to you in the exam will be 10 comma minus 2 and other options. So tick for 10 comma minus 2. Fill in the blanks. The product of two monomials is always binomial. Why? Sorry, it should be the product of two monomials is always monomial. Why? What is monomial, binomial, trinomial? Let's see. See this in simple terms. This is monomial 4x square 3xy. Now this is binomial a plus b if there is a plus sign in between. Trinomial a plus b plus c or 2c, whatever. Polynomial, if you go on adding plus and minus signs, then this becomes a polynomial. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.